I am Andre. I am a client executive at Dassault Systèmes. My passion is playing golf. My golf career started when I was about 12 years old. Picked up some sticks, started swinging them in the backyard with a friend of mine, and I never stopped playing. Aside from being a salesperson, part of my job is to be a friend and to be a partner. Being at this company for the past 16 years, I have developed relationships, some that I call family. The importance of having that human connection for me with my customers is being able to just pick up the phone and give them a call whenever I have to or whenever they need to call me for something. We want to be able to keep that relationship to the point where as they transform their business, we are there for them. What I enjoy most about the job is being able to work with some of the most passionate users in the world. Some of the qualities that are similar in golf with my job is the ability to anticipate some of the shots that I have to take or anticipate some of the customers that I'm going to be in front of. It is also adapting on the go. I am Andre. I am a client executive at Dassault Systèmes.